In the real estate industry, leadership isn't about titles, it's about influence. But how can you lead with humility in a world of giants? Join BC Akintayo at the CEO Retreat for an unmissable exploration of humility and leadership to those below and those ahead. You'll learn the art of leading without ego, building bridges with all levels of your organization, and navigating collaborations and partnerships with grace. A fresh perspective on global real estate leadership. At this retreat, you'll connect with a diverse community of CEOs, embrace humility, and leave with an expanded view of leadership. Secure your spot now and be part of a future where the mortgage market is your key to prosperity. Join us at the CEO Retreat for a mortgage-powered journey. Visit www.stephenakintayo.com real estate to register. For more inquiries, contact the details.